I'm about to show you something that will forever change the face of FPV. The greatest FPV website ever created is about to launch. It's not hyperbole, it's not an exaggeration. What you're about to see here with DIY FPV is going to change the course of FPV history. If you are even remotely interested in FPV, you owe it to yourself to spend 2 minutes, watch this video, and I guarantee it will shape our future. DIY FPV is everything you could ever dream of if you're into FPV. We in the team have built the most feature-packed, community-driven, fun, and informative website out there that is going to revolutionize our hobby. So here are some of the main features of DIY FPV.
Ever wanted to fly with other pilots but no idea who or even how to find people in your area? Well, we've got you covered. A worldwide map of everything FPV. Find local pilots in your area, send them a message, meet up, rip some packs. Use the map to list awesome flight locations, find out how to get to your local store, see an FPV race or an event coming up. Use the map to connect and be part of this community. Community is at the heart of FPV, and it's also at the heart of DIY FPV. A major feature of DIY FPV is helping pilots find the right parts. Never miss out on the best deal. Find that in-stock item again or make the most of your hard-earned cash. DIY FPV has the largest fully integrated FPV product database online. Nothing comes close to this. Hundreds of thousands of products all in one place, easily searchable, filterable, and designed to help you spend less time Googling and more time actually flying. This database allows us to do some incredible things on DIY FPV. Everything and every product is linked and fully integrated. Add your products to your backpack, build the ultimate system before hitting buy. Get the community's thoughts, send it to mates, get it double checked.
Find out, hey, does this O3 air unit actually marry up with this F4 flight controller? All this stuff is possible on DIY FPV. But don't worry, it gets better.
Our database will not only let users and mates check what you have, but you can build your dream drone virtually. A fully fledged, completely integrated build studio. Plan your next build. Import the components into your builder. Wire it up. Not sure where that VTXY should go in your flight controller? Get it double checked in the builder. Want to show someone how to connect your DJI O3 air unit to your SpeedyBee F401? Don't worry, we've got you covered. The builder is a major feature in DIY FPV and we can't wait for you to try it. We know it will help thousands of pilots plan and perfect their latest build and help new pilots avoid some pitfalls newer builders face. Maybe you're not a beginner. Maybe you're a pro like Bardwell who really wants to help. Don't worry, we have you covered too. This site is for everybody. Take that backpack of products you have, wire it up in the Builder Studio, import it into a fully fledged guide. With the DIY FPV database and everything linked, you can do this. Users can see your guides, follow your wiring, click the products, make the purchases, get flying. DIY FPV is for everybody. Want to teach and help share FPV? We've built the tools so you can do this.
There is so much here that I want to share with you. Socials, community posts, Race Hub integration. I've spent over a decade teaching people about FPV and over a year building DIY FPV. We truly have something special here for the community that is for everybody, that is going to shape it for years to come. So with all that said, it has been such a long time coming and I'm so proud to present and finally launch DIY FPV.